Welcome once again to iTech, and I appreciate your time. I thank you for choosing this channel. If today is your first time coming to this channel, you're welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be able to get more videos from me. Okay, so without wasting much time, today I'm going to talk about how to make money on YouTube without monetization, how you can get money on YouTube without monetization. Somebody will say, how possible? How can someone make money on YouTube without his or her channel being monetized? Yes, you can make money on YouTube whilst your channel is not monetized, and this is what I'm going to show you. So without wasting much of your time, let's start. Welcome back. Alright, so before you can monetize your YouTube channel, there are some requirements that you need to meet, and these requirements are very hard to come about. You need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours, and this is very difficult task to come by, but without that you can still make money on YouTube, and I'm going to show you two of the ways by which you can make money on YouTube without your channel being monetized. So the first one that I'll talk about is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Is whereby you affiliate your YouTube channel or your social media platform or any platform that you're on with maybe like Amazon or Jumia, and you create an account there. Now after creating an account, you will be given links, you'll be given an ID whereby you'll be tracked with that link that they will serve to you. Okay, so after you create an account, you just copy the link of that product that you are marketing. Let's say you are running the bounty program. Okay, you are promoting the bounty program as your affiliate. Okay, so what you have to do is that you just go to the bounty program and then you copy any of the product that you want to promote it. Okay, so after that you just copy the link, then you send the link, you put the link under your YouTube video description. So when it happens like that, when someone or your viewers decide to click on it and register for the bounty program, I think is the one of the easiest ways that you can get money, because the other one, the person have to buy something. Okay, so if a person click and he or she doesn't buy anything, you lose it, you are not going to get anything. But for bounty program, the person can sign up for 30 days free trial and you'll be able to get some money from it. So the affiliate program is one of the best way that you can get money from YouTube without your channel being monetized. And like Jumia also, you can also have affiliation with Jumia. Okay, then you just the same way as the Amazon, you just have to copy the link, you send it to your description, then when you're doing a video, you just direct your viewers that they can check the description for all these products. So as you are watching me now, for you to support this channel, for you to give me morale, to give me encouragement to do more research and come out with more videos, just check the description, just click on any of the product. You can sign up for 30-day free trial, or you can register for baby or wedding, and then you will be helping me by promoting my channel. I hope you will do it for me. Now let's move on to the second one that I'm going to talk about. The second one about is that having a cooperation. Okay, what a cooperation with others. If you have a financial channel, a channel who talk about finance, okay, you can have a cooperation with this financial institution, this cryptocurrency platform, various platforms that are available there. They can contact you and they will let you promote their platform for them, and they will be giving you some money, they will be paying you. Yes, I did got my first money from YouTube through that cryptocurrency platform promotion, and I got almost $100 from that part. So, and another part that you can also get money from YouTube without your channel being monetized through channel coaching. Okay, maybe you talk about health and beauty, how to promote YouTube channel, you do fitness and so on. So if someone watches your video and the person can also contact you to be his or her coach, and you will be directing the person on his health or the fashion that you are doing, or if you promote YouTube channel, the person can also call you to help him or her to promote his or her YouTube channel. So these are some of the ways that you can get money from YouTube when your channel is still not monetized. So for you to get more videos from me, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like my video, comment, hit the notification button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.